What's up, y'all? I'm about to put y'all on the best seasonings in the game. You want to put these two seasonings on everything. Your eggs, your salad, anything you making. And I'm making some salad today, so I'm about to show you what seasonings I'm using right now. And these the seasonings right here. Zatarain's blackening seasoning and Kinder's buttery steakhouse. For some reason, these are always sold out at the store, but I'm putting you on game right now and get it off of Amazon. All right, so I just got done mixing some chicken and I put it in the air fryer. But what I did was I put the chicken in here, coated it with this, and coated it with this, and I got our salads ready. You know what I'm saying? This is my girl eating, and this is what I'm eating. I like eating the Caesar salad or regular salads. So the chicken that I'm using is these right here. It's got like 23 grams of protein, and it's called Real Good. Like, real good. That's how it is. But you only need like 2 or 3, 4 pieces if you're eating by yourself. But this is like the last bit. So I use that and these right here. These chicken fajitas. I put both of these together. Both of these is good in protein. So pretty much I got me a protein salad going on. And you want to have you a good protein diet when you're lifting weights. You don't want to eat all that junk food all the time. But at the same time, a lot of people is vegan. I'm not vegan. I just like eating good, heavy protein, heavy meat. Everybody goes is different. I'm trying to lift weights and get big, you know what I'm saying? So when this salad is almost done, come back to you, show you how it is. All right, so one more time for the people in the back. This right here is like real good chicken, fried, breaded, 23 grams of protein. Is real good, just like the brand say. I like mixing it with these chicken fajitas. These are cooked chicken, grilled strips. So basically, I mix the fried chicken with the grilled chicken and put it in my salad, and it's all coming together. When I take the bacon package out, it's basically the salad and these ingredients right here, which is like a crumbled up crouton type of mixture. You got some Caesar salad and you got cheese in there also. So we're gonna put it all in there and see what it's looking like. All right, we got the croutons here. We're gonna pour those in there. All right, we got the bacon bits. We're gonna pour those in there. That's pretty much what it look like when it's in there. It's enough, trust me. Once you start tasting it inside the mixture, it's gonna be A1. This is the cheese I didn't get to show. Pour that in there. And then this is the Caesar salad that came in with it. I'm gonna pour that in there. This is a Caesar dressing, so you want a lot of Caesar. Just this and a little bit more. I'll show that in a minute. All right, once you got all the ingredients in there, oh, matter of fact, I forgot something. You're gonna want a little bit more of this and the blackening seasoning, so don't be shy. Pour it in there, all over the salad, all over the salad. And this too, pour some more in there, blackening seasoning. This gonna get the salad tasting real good, trust me. And then you wanna mix all of this up. This is what it's gonna look like after you just mix it up. Looks amazing. Now we gotta add the chicken. All right, I'm about to take the chicken out the air fryer, and this is what we got. We got the fried chicken and the grilled chicken. I seasoned the grilled chicken, but not really the fried chicken, but trust me, you want to season the grilled chicken. First thing I did was pour the grilled chicken inside of the bowl and then pour the seasoning on top and mixed it all up. And then I put them all in the air fryer. So pour all this out. And this is what we left with. And I see all that thing smoking. It's hot. But now I'm gonna cut it all up. All the cutting of the chicken is coming together nicely. That's how it look. You want to cut them up into like dice squares. And I still got half to go. And the salad, I still got to make that. And I'm gonna put it all together. All right, y'all. I done finished cutting up all the chicken. This is my salad. This is her salad. And this is the dressing I gotta add to her salad. It's not dry, I just gotta add the dressing. And all the chicken will be added in just a minute. Stay tuned. Don't her salad look so good? Oh my goodness. Do it look better than mine? I don't know. I like Caesar. But this look over here looking like it's real good. We might have to switch. I don't know. Man, I legit added honey mustard dressing to her salad, and it smells so good. We might have to switch. I got Caesar. She got a honey mustard Dijon. What is it called? It's called kale pecan cranberry salad. Let's add this chicken. Oh, let's get added right now. All right, so I'm gonna add a little bit more Caesar to mine. And here you go. Scrub a dub on that thing right there. Ooh wee. Yeah. And after I'm done stirring all of mine up, this is the final product. It looks so good. This is my Caesar grilled crispy salad. I'm about to dig in real nice on this joint. And I'm gonna leave Allegra's as is. She has a honey mustard, Dijon, kale, pecan salad. I'm gonna leave the chicken on top, but hers look good as well. And I'm gonna get her a fork and serve dinner, well, lunch, just right. All right, y'all. Dinner is served. This is mine. This is Allegra's. Both our salads look amazing. And until next time, this is Cooking with Stefan. It's gonna be good. If you got any cooking ideas, salad ideas, protein shake ideas, comment below. I'm excited to hear about everybody's ideas about staying healthy, eating healthy, and the grind continues.